What's going on, guys? Alfred Parsart Jr. here, Metropolitan Report. It's opening day 2026. You know how we do. I never miss an opening day, and you know, I'm gonna vlog it this time. So we're about to go to Citi Field. We're about to check out the festivities, and you guys are gonna hang out with me while I go through 2026 opening day. So appreciate you, and let's check this out. Okay, we made it into Citi Field, opening day. I'm headed to my seat, gonna watch some BP. Beer man hawking beer behind me, but that's what he gets paid to do. So happy to be back. Like, I'm in my element here amongst all my people. So yeah, we're rocking and rolling. I got about like another hour and 20 minutes. Like the electricity is going through my body. Hoping not to be disappointed. Hoping to see a win. It's Freddie Peralta versus Paul Skeens. It's going to be a great pitching matchup. Hopefully, if the Mets can chase Skeens, we'll be looking good. I really cannot believe what I'm seeing on opening day. The Mets have just chased Paul Skeens out of the game. They batted around, all 9 men have come up. Mets are up 5-2. And yeah, Paul Skeens must be suffering from World Baseball Classic hangover because he's out of the game, didn't even make it to the first inning. Carson Bench up at the plate. Carson Bench! Carson Bench! Got the home run from his first hit! Carson Bench! On the first pitch of the at-bat! Carson Bench's first career hit is a home run! Welcome to the big league, son! Carson Bench! All right, guys, I'm back in the car. About to head home. Phenomenal opening day. Mets start the season on a win, 1-0. I can't be more happier. Got Carson Benj's home run on video. Phenomenal win. Another homer by Alvey. A couple of Mets had multi-hit games. So, chased Paul Skeens out of the game in the first inning. He didn't even make it through the first inning. So, very happy with what I saw. And if this is a sign of how the season is going to go, then by all means, I'm happy. But this vlog was more of a sights and sounds of opening day for those of you who've never been to an opening day in person. Try to catch some stuff that they won't show you on the broadcast on Peacock. But thank you guys for watching the vlog, supporting the channel. Thank you. And stay tuned to this YouTube channel, The Metropolitan Report. And we'll bring you some more content, some more updates. I'm Alfred Barsar Jr., LFGM, and see you guys.